in Las Vegas. Here, at Le Fresh Baguette, the croissants are always fresh. The coffee is always fresh. And our slot machine surrenders their payout quicker than our troops in the Battle of France. And don't forget the banquet. Come for the creme brulee. Stay for the unlimited escargot. So, what are you waiting for? Drag your ample American derrière to Le French Baguette. We are waiting for you, mon ami.
Ronnie Q here on K1 104.2. Let's go on a ride with Laserhawk's single Red Line. Ready for the set?
Ollie's Playground now. 87 to 93.
Alright, you biggest cockholes. I've got a special guest today. Living legend Spike Pecker, lead singer of the band Restraining Order. Their album Naked Sexual Aggression was everywhere in the summer of '88, and now he's here in our studio. How you doing, Spike?
I called for my kidney this morning. Between my alimony and Charles and my son, netting about $6.75 a month. So, okay, I guess.
You are known for this thing, hardcore party music. Give us a crazy story.
On a tour of Southeast Asia in '91, I met a guy who was gonna school me some love, but he must have slipped me something else. Cause next thing I know, I woke up in a bedroom surrounded by these scary Japanese businessmen. Thought I was a girl on account of the old glam thing. That all they didn't care. Took me 8 months to escape and hop a ship back to the States.
So would you say rocking?
Well, my dating life hasn't been the same since losing my manhood to super syphilis. But yeah, there were some good times. Plus, I never learned to read, so that limited my career options.
And there you have it. Thanks for coming in today.
Yeah, no sweat. Listen, can I have some change for the bus?
Let me grab my purse. The next cut I've got for you encapsulates the way I like to live my life. It's kill or be killed by Dirty Sweet.